Annual training for Vermont Army National Guard combat engineers is explosive. First Lieutenant Warner Clark explains what his troops do.
Bravo Company of the 572nd Engineers is a new company. The role of the combat engineer can be summarized as mobility, counter-mobility, and survivability. Mobility is preserving freedom of maneuver for friendly forces, basically allowing us to go wherever we want, whenever we want. We do that through road improvement and the reduction of obstacles, both man-made and natural.
Claymore mines have their purposes, but clearing wire obstruction requires a different approach. Not all explosions are the same. Engineers must pick ordnance that delivers the correct amount of force. Here, the engineers familiarize with Bangalore torpedoes. Specialist Braden Langmate of Bravo 572nd BEB says teamwork is key.
Each person has a specific task, and it's very important that they know their task to a T. And some people are more experienced than others, so that helps as well with getting through obstacles cleanly and without any hiccups.
Specialist Langmate also describes the blast.
Whatever was on the business end is no longer there. You can feel the shockwave, like once it hits you, it's just exhilarating. It was awesome.
Today's exercise validates that these engineers can perform at the squad level. Reporting for the 172nd Public Affairs Detachment, I'm Army Sergeant Barb Pendle.